Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You are seeing a privacy error because your browser cannot validate a website certificate. This happens when the certificate chain or trust store is broken. First, open the browser error details and note the error code and text. Next, check your device date and time settings and confirm they match internet time. Incorrect time often causes certificates to appear expired or not yet valid. Finally, do not proceed to the site until you complete the trust repair steps described next. The only reliable fix is updating your system root certificates and browser trust stores. On Windows, open Settings, run Windows Update, and install all security updates and optional certificate updates. On Mac OS, open System Settings, run Software Update, and install any root certificate updates before restarting. On Linux, use your package manager to update CA certificates and restart relevant services or the browser. After updating, reboot the device to ensure the OS and browser load the new trust anchor. After installing new root certificates, clear your browser cache and restart the browser. In Chrome or Edge, open History and clear cached images and files, then relaunch the browser. Revisit the website and confirm the certificate now validates and the privacy error disappears. If the site still shows an error, reboot your device and check firewall, proxy, or antivirus SSL inspection settings. When those are disabled or configured correctly, the browser should trust the certificate and load the site securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.